Hi, Waller ISD family. As we start the new school year online, here is a short video to help you through your online learning. We are excited for you to start school online on August 24th. We will use Google Classroom as our primary learning platform. When you are ready to start your school day, you will start by logging into Clever to access Google Classroom. Just like when you are learning on campus, there will be new lessons and assignments each day, but you can work at your own pace. Please know that daily attendance is required, so you must meet at least one of 3 criteria to be counted present each day. 1. Attend live instructional opportunities through Zoom. 2. Complete and submit lessons or assignments. Or 3, be in daily contact with each of your teachers. 2 types of instruction are available: live and independent. We encourage live instruction with your teacher, but realize that sometimes you can't make it. Daily lessons will always be available in your Google Classroom. Remember, all instruction is self-paced, but don't forget you must be present daily. Let's take a quick look at how to access Clever and log in to Google Classroom, as well as other learning resources you may use. We'll also take a quick tour of an elementary Google Classroom. To access your student's Clever account, start by going to the internet and typing in wisd.fyi/Clever. Once you get to this page, simply click Log in with Google. Now it's time for your student to type in their email address. Remember, their email is their first name dot last name at wallerbulldogs.net. They now need to type in their password. Their password is their school code followed by their student ID. From here, we can find Google Classroom. We simply have to scroll down and look for the section titled Google Apps. Here it is. Then scan to the right to find Google Classroom. Once we click here, we'll be on our way. Here we are at the main page of Google Classroom. Some students, like in this example, will only belong to one classroom. Other students will have multiple classrooms. Just know that any classroom your student has joined will be listed on this page. To enter this classroom, simply click. Once inside, we need to find the student's classwork. To do that, just click on the Classwork tab. Once inside the Classwork tab, you can see the topics for this classroom listed on the left-hand side. The same topics are also listed down the middle of the page. This example has 2 topics: English Language Arts for August 24th through the 28th, and Math for August 24th through the 28th. Underneath each topic, you will see the materials and assignments for your students. Remember, any activities or assignments that your student needs to complete can be found inside their Google Classroom. If you have any questions, please contact your student's teacher. That's a quick look at the main things you will use to participate in WISD online. Your teacher will be able to provide additional personalized assistance as the school year gets started. You can find more resources to help navigate WISD online at https://wisd.fyi/online family resources. All details about WISD online are available at https://wisd.fyi/online 20-21 Learning. Thank you for your support and partnership during the 2020-2021 school year. In Waller ISD, we work together and do whatever it takes because our kids deserve greatness.